Check out this 1966 GTO tri-power 4-speed convertible we've got for sale today. Hi, I'm Jay Grams from the Volo Auto Museum. You can go to volocars.com. We have a few hundred cars for sale at all times, including this one. We have full photos top to bottom, all the specs, pricing. We have financing, we have shipping. There's several ways to contact us on our website so we can help fulfill your dream and put a car like this in your garage. So let's not waste any time. Let's take this one for a spin. Subscribe to our YouTube channel too. We're posting a few videos a day. I sold this car about 17, 18 years ago to a collector, and he's kept it in this excellent condition. This is the restoration it had when I sold it to him. It stood the test of time. That speaks a lot about a car's condition and how well it was restored. To look this good, probably 20-year-old restoration, says a lot. Car is super straight. The paint job is still shiny and holding up really well. All the chrome and trim is sparkly. The stainless is not beat up. Bumpers are straight. Fits really nice too. Look how the bumper fits with the body here. You couldn't get it any better than that. I'm surprised it left the factory that good, to be honest with you. So all the moldings are great. Big wide panels, they're straight. The body gaps are real nice. The trim up on top is real nice and straight. Look at all that, shiny. Windshield's crystal clear. And look at the stance. You got the big meaty tires, the old school Cragar wheels, bigger in the back. I'll say the Cragar wheels are new, not as in brand new. They've probably been on there a few years, but he's kept good care of them. They look brand new. Under the hood, tri-power. All three carbs are working. It's got power steering, power brakes. Looks like you did put a Be Cool aluminum radiator in there with an electric fan. It's got a set of headers on there as well. So very nice and clean motor compartment. I do have the Pontiac historical papers. This is a real red GTO convertible. It was born a 4-speed. It was born a 4-barrel, so the tri-power was added. It's got the correct antenna on here. It has a black convertible top in excellent shape. Interior is very nice. The seat cushions are nice. All the upholstery, door panels, armrests, window cranks, it's all beautiful. The backs of the seats are nice and the chrome trim. It has seat belts front and back. Interior lights are all working. It has new carpet with embroidered floor mats. Before we did the video, I was up in here with my flashlight. These are the original quarter panels. They're not spliced. It has some of the factory spatter paint on the inside of them. That tells me they're original. Trunk floor is rock solid. It has the jack, the spare. It has the original Pontiac hubcaps that came on the car. So trunk compartment's real nice. It has the correct 4-speed console with the Pontiac vacuum gauge. In the dash, it has the rally cluster with the tachometer. It has the original radio. Very, very nice inside. Rubber's all good. Seals are nice. I'm going to start it up here in a second. Also, visit our website to see underneath the car. Underneath is very clean. Nice smooth frame, nice floors, very tidy, clean, well maintained. This is a good car. This is one, get in, turn the key and drive. Start it up, you'll hear how nice it sounds. Such an iconic car too, a tri-power GTO. I keep saying how nice the interior is, but it really is exceptional. The dash area is real nice, the dash pad, excellent shape. The seats feel real good, nice cushion. You feel it when them tri-powered, all three carbs open. You put your foot into it. When they all open, it's almost like a turbo kicking in. It just takes off. So what we've got here is a really great car with a really nice restoration. It's held up very well. I don't know if I mentioned the convertible top is black, and that's in excellent shape. The last GTO convertible we put online sold in a couple days. This may do the same, so contact us as soon as possible if you're interested. We'll answer all your questions, and maybe this is the car for you. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.